Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make line shape straight in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make line shape straight. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and select the shape option. We can see here many shape. Now we go to the line section and choose the line shape. Now we want to draw the line shape straight. Press and hold shift on your keyboard, then draw a line. You can draw this line horizontally, otherwise vertically. Go back again the tool shape option and choose the line shape. Now I am draw vertically. Now we can see we draw a straight line shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.